How is everyone today? You're all fine? That is good, that is good, that is good. So, oh, you're wondering what I have in my hand? Oh, well, when I was coming in, I met the last year vendor. All of us know who's the last year vendor. Very good to all the boys know who's Anne. Well, when I was coming in, he gave me this scroll to give to grade 7. He said it's called the Asian Scroll of Knowledge. So let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, wow, it seems to be some kind of code. Let me hang it up so we can see what it is. So it says, hello grade 7C, I need your help. So apparently Anne needs our help. The Fire Nations of Tap and they stole Apple. You remember it's Bison? Good. Below is a clue to Apple's location. It's coming from today's lesson. So apparently when we figure out where Apple is when we figure out the topic. So let's try to get what's today's topic. So let's try to unpack this code. We'll try to decode this code here. So it says, apparently said it's called letter riddle. So you need to figure out each riddle in order to get today's topic. So let's see what the first one says. I am the first in pity and the last in hill. What's the first in pity and last in hill? Remember it's letter riddles. Think well, think deep. What are you saying, Jason? Yes, so Jason says P. So he told me the answer, so I'm writing it, right? I know what the answer is because I listened to when Aunt told me. I am in river but not in lake. What letter is in river but not in lake? So quite a few. So what are you saying? I, you told me the I. Over here. E. E is also in river and in lake. The side or the back, where you're saying Swan? Swan got an R. So PR. What about the next one? I'm twice in a week and once in a year, but never in a day. What letter is twice in a week, once in a year, but never in a day? Very good, classes, and quite a few got it. Letter E. So let's write letter E. The next one. I am leading in life, but not in debt. You can't start the fun without me. So, what letter is leading in life, but not in debt? I can't start the word fun without it. Obviously F. Thank you, guys. So F. What about the next one? I am a silent member of parliament. Read the word parliament. What letter is a silent letter? Remember consonants and so forth? What are you saying, Joshua? Very good, Joshua. And lastly, I am versatile. I'm entirely in love or variable. What letter am I? What letter is that? Well, remember we did maths, right? Laws are in the C, so what letter? Remember you guys did maths. You gotta tell me what letter is a variable. What do you say? What is it, Grace? Very good, Grace. X. So we put these together. P-R-E-F-I-X. Prefix. So our topic is prefix. So let's write our topic on the board. So remember we know where Papa is. Papa is on prefix land. Right? So then we have to tell Aunt that Papa is on prefix land. Now, what are we doing about prefix today? What exactly is our objective of today's class? So for today's class, we will look at what is prefix. We'll look at prefix. What is prefix? We look at creating a prefix. Look at some examples of prefix, as well as finding the meaning of words that we created. Right? When you place a prefix on it. Now, let's look at defining prefix. Now on the desk, I'll give you some laptops. Good. Good. So on each of your desks is a laptop. Right? So I want you to open that laptop. Right? And there is a video there. And I want you good. I want us to look at that video. Let's look at the video. So I'll turn on the video. Good. Let's look at the video.
Prefixes. A syllable or a word part added to the beginning of a word is called a prefix. A prefix has a meaning, but it is not a word. For example, disconnect, imbalance, incorrect, unhappy. Word parts dis, in, and un are prefixes that mean not or the opposite of. Remember, a prefix can change the meaning of a word. Some antonyms are formed by adding prefixes to words.
Okay, so you guys watch the video? Do you like the video? It's very cartoon and like, right? Good. So we probably in the video you see she define what's a prefix. So I want you to take a moment and in your own words, write what you understand through the video what a prefix is. So you take a moment and I'll take one answer from each group. Only one answer, so we have one person per group. Right? Good. So I'll give you a moment to write the definition. Good. So you guys have writing the definition? Good. Let's choose that here for the first group. One person is writing the definition, or would you rather I choose you? Okay? Sarah, what's your definition of prefix? I'll write on the board. So you're saying a prefix is a word added to the beginning of a word. Okay? So that's what Sarah is saying. It's added to the beginning of a word, added to the beginning of another word. Okay? What about the back? Malcolm? Okay, you're saying a prefix is a word. Oh, you're not saying a word, sorry, you're saying a syllable. Added to the beginning of a word. Good. So what is the second group saying? The third group? Oh, you're agreeing with this, the second definition and the table. Decide where you're agreeing with. Okay, you have your own definition? No? Okay. So you're saying likewise. Good. So a prefix, right, is a syllable, it can be a syllable that adds to another word to change the meaning of that word, right? So something you say change the meaning. No, it's changed, it usually changes the meaning of a particular word. So when you put another word, these prefixes on words, they change the meaning. That's a role they play. They can also change, the meaning of the word. So if it was happy and you go to another prefix in front of it, like on, when she said there, you get unhappy, right? If you have balance and you put im in front, you get imbalance. So it's their meaning from being balanced to imbalance, right? So the meaning changed, right? Because one it's like this and the other it's like this. Good. So now, let's just do activity. Let's just create some words. Now I have some prefix slides here. I have a chart, some prefix slides. Good, I have some prefix slides. Good. I'm going to start this chart in the book. And we're going to have a representative from each group come, and you're all going to put up, according to these slides, you're going to put the slide and say whether this is a word and make a new word. So you're basically adding these prefixes to the words that are already given. So you get wait, this appear, right, and possible. Right? So you're going to pull down until you get a word. Clear? Good. So the first your representative. Tell your representative to hold the slide. Good. So the representative hold the slides. Let's see what group 1 made. Overweight. That's a word that is made by group 1. Overweight. Good. Who made this one? Group 2. You made disappear. And group 3 made, oh sorry, group 4 made this one. Rewrite. And group 3 made impossible. Very good. Right? Very good, class. Well done. Now, what we're going to do, we said we are going to define these words. So I want to give you a moment. The word you created, I want you to define it. But take a moment and define the word. When it was one meaning before, when you put in the prefix now, meaning change. So you got to put a new meaning now. Good. So group 4, let's begin with you. One word. What does rewrite mean? Good. Very good. Very good. Let's give them a clap. So rewrite means to write over something. What about over here? What are you saying? Impossible. What does it mean? Oh, it's not possible to do something or unable to do something. Okay, very good. Let's give him some love. What about over here? Group 2. What do you call disappear? What does disappear mean? Okay, so remove yourself or remove the thing from where it was. Very good. Let's give him also some love. And lastly, overweight. Group 1 was overweight. What does it mean to be overweight? Oh, when you're above a particular weight it's supposed to be. Very good, very good. So let us give them some claps. Okay guys, so I guess you've learned a lot from today's lesson, right? Good. So what we're going to do is we're going to recap everything that we've learned. Now to recap, we'll be playing a game called Spin the Bottle. Now with Spin the Bottle, I'm sure you know how this is played, right? So each person is going to send one representative. The person is going to spin the bottle. Whatever question that lands, whatever place it lands on the bottle, and you're going to answer the question, and that's in that section. So the first group person, group 1. Good, group 1. Yours land on what is one role of prefix. So what's one role of prefix? Very good. So Tyrell played to group 1. Very good. Change the meaning of the word. Very good. So let's have group 2 now. Group 2, where is the prefix placed? That's where you land on. So where is it placed? Very good, Sarah. So it's placed at the beginning of the word. Very good, very good. Next, let's have group 3. Group 3, what is a prefix? This is where you land. What's a prefix? So a prefix is good, a word part, or syllable that placed at the beginning of the word and changes meaning. Very good. So group 4 now. Lastly. Group 4, name 3 prefixes. So name prefixes first. Good. This, im, and il. Very good. So the new one that you probably knew. Very good. Very good. So now let's copy your homework. So we played, and remember we give you bookmarks at the end of the class. So let's copy your homework. You guys can sit. So for your homework, what you're going to do is you're going to list 5 prefixes. List 5 prefixes and make 5 new words. 5 new words with each. So with each prefix you're going to make 5 new words, right? So with that, if you copy your homework, you're free to leave. You're dismissed, class. Right?